Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I will show you how you can check the preview or like the what's new in display and text. I can show you how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel, scale up, and let's get started. Open up your iPhone settings and then scroll up and go to accessibilities and then go to display and text. In this you will see over here at the highlights, you will see this option over here, what's new in display and text size. Once you click on that nameplate, you will get in this page, and this shows that what's new with display and text size into iOS 26. So you can see over here two options over here are new in iPhone like iOS 26. CarPlay large text over here, or like button shapes and show borders over here. In this you can find it out, or you can check it out over here. So you can also always customize text in CarPlay, and bottom shops has been renamed to shows border and will show outlines around promo, like that. So that's it. That's how you can check it out, new options in text size or like display. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel, scale up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.